Kids World, positively for kids.
Welcome friends, it's Bouncy and Bob in the classroom with some VC word phonics. Listen closely and repeat the sounds. Remember, VC words have two letters. The first is a vowel and the second is a consonant.
S, s, s. Is.
Yay!
The cat is big.
S, s, s. Us.
Yay!
Come, race with us.
F, f, f. F, f, f. If.
Yay!
If you run fast, you will win.
X, x, x. Ox.
Yay!
The ox is big.
F, f, f. Off.
Yay!
Nina has a bag of shells.
A. S, s, s. As.
Yay!
Tara is always as kind as can be.
Kids World, positively for kids.